Galaxy Star Pro. I am Dr. BC and you are watching BCD Tech. This is my Samsung Galaxy Star Pro, recently purchased from Samsung India. In this episode, I will show you the unboxing and quick review of this phone. As you can see that this is a duos phone and it is a white in color. Now you can find the specification on this side. It is a quad band phone with Edge and GPRS, 100.8mm WVGA TFT LCD, 2 megapixel fixed focus camera, 1 GHz processor, dual SIM, 1500 mAh battery with application chat on Android, Wi-Fi, chat on Bluetooth. The model number is GT-S7262. Nothing on the bottom nor in this side. Here you can find the EMI sticker. Now on this side you will find the mobile phone. It is GT-S72622ZWAINU. Maximum retail price is 7550. You can find it at cheap at your retail market. The manufacturing date is October 2013. Now quickly I am unboxing this phone. Now cut this seal. Now the first thing that you can find inside this box is the Samsung Galaxy Star Pro. Now take this apart. Now inside this second partition you will find a quick start guide with warranty card and service information. As you can see that is SARC certification. Now next thing you can find inside this box is a headphones, and this is a same headphone that you can get with all low-end Galaxy devices. It contains a inline microphone and a hardware button to answer and reject call. It has, that is your button, that is your 3.5mm headphone socket. It is gold plated. Now let's take this apart. The next thing you can find inside the box is a travel adapter. It is same travel adapter that you can find in low-end Galaxy devices. It has micro USB charging port and the power rating is 4.75 volt and 0.55 ampere. Now let's take this apart. The next thing you can find inside this box is a battery. Now let's see the rating of this battery. That is 3.8 volt lithium ion battery with 5.70 watt hour power. Now let's see the milliampere hour. That is 1500 milliampere hour. It is manufactured 24/9/2013. Now nothing more inside this box. Let's put all the stuff back to this box so that I can show you the phone. This is your Samsung Galaxy Star Pro. It is white in color. The other color available is a black. Now I have to peel off this plastic from the back. As you can see that it is too much sticky. Okay, this is your Samsung Galaxy Star Pro, white in color. If you see the hardware layout, it is same as previous Galaxy devices. Here is my Samsung Galaxy Star. As you can see that both of devices have the same hardware layout. On the front you find this receiver and hardware capacitor button. Here is a power button. On the bottom you will find USB syncing port. On the top 3.5mm headphone socket. Now if you see, both devices have same hardware layout but the screen size of are different. Now Samsung has increased the screen size of Galaxy Star series. That is in Samsung Galaxy Star Pro you will have a bigger screen. Now just unwrap this battery. Okay, this is a Samsung battery for Samsung Galaxy Star Pro. Now to take out this back cover, you have press your fingernail here and lift off the back cover from this main phone. Now here you can see a sticker, Samsung sticker. This is SIM 1 tray and this is your SIM 2 tray. This is your micro SD card slot. This is your external antenna point. That is your rear camera. That is your loudspeaker. Now I will show you the sticker. You will find that model number is GT S7262 with FCC ID SSN. It is made in by Samsung. You can find the serial number of this device here. This is your SIM 1 tray. That is your micro SD 2 megapixel rear camera. That is your back speaker, a rear speaker. Now I will put the battery inside this phone and put the back cover back. To turn on this device, press this power button for few seconds. Now it is turning on. You will find Samsung Galaxy Star Pro logo on the screen. Now for a while I will show you the hardware layout. This is a nose to release back cover. On the top you will find 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left of device you will find a volume rocker. On the bottom you will find a main microphone and that is a USB syncing port. On the back you will find a 2 megapixel rear camera with speakers. Now on the front you will find main hardware key and 2 capacitive button, that is menu button, that is back button. On the top you will find a main receiver speaker. There is nothing with proximity sensor or front VGA camera in this series of devices. Now press next. You will select the language and press next. No SIM card in this device. Press next. As you can see, the touch response is very slow. Now I am not connected to any Wi-Fi network, so skip this process. Automatically date and time. Press next. Now I understand and agree the user term and condition. Press next. Samsung account skip. Google account skip. Make it Google Note now. Google and location. Press next. This forms belongs to, I will type B. As you can see that I have typed wrong. That is BCD. Last, that is tech. Now press done. Dropbox not now and press finish. Now this is your main home screen. As you can see that flick screen left and right to move between your home screen. I am flick left and right to move here in between your home screen. This is your old Samsung Touch UI. The same Touch UI you can find in every Samsung devices. You can pinch in to show your whole home screen. You can add or delete home screen from here. Just tap it and bring to remove button. You will find this home screen is deleted. Now I have only 2 home screen left, 1 and 2. Now I will show you. This is your main notification panel. You can swipe it from up to show this notification panel. Here you can control Wi-Fi, sound, screen rotation, Bluetooth, mobile data, blocking mode and synchronization. Now this is your main setting. Now I will show you the Android version that is pre-installed on this device. Here you can see that the model number is GTS 7262 and Android version is 4.1.2. You will find this Jelly Bean game. The build and the baseband is XXUAMI6. Now I will show you the storage. This phone contains inbuilt storage of 4 GB and out of box you will find only 2.24 GB. You can also install a memory card to increase this in storage capability. The touch response of this device is very premium. There is no lag in between this touch response. You will find a series of applications pre-installed on your devices. There is a widget that is pre-installed on these devices. You can tap on any widget and put it into your home screen. Let's see, I have put this clock to my home screen. Here you can find the downloaded application. There is no downloaded application installed on the devices. This your first application is your calculator. As you can see that it goes in a scientific mode while turning your devices. That is your calendar. I'm not connecting to Google. This is your main camera application. Now I will show you the image quality of this phone. As you can see that image quality is not so good. It is only a 2 megapixel sensor. Oh, I have zoomed it. Let's zoom out by pressing this volume button, that is volume down button. Now as you can see that this camera is a fixed focus camera, so you cannot tap to focus. Just take the picture and then I will show you the picture in gallery. As you can see that the image quality is not so good on this device. The next application you can find is Chatom. It is general application. Chrome, Clock, Contact, Downloads. The Dropbox is pre-installed. You can find a 50 gigabit of Dropbox space free. This is your main gallery application. Email, Gmail, Google setting, Google Plus, Hangout, that is Google Talk, Maps, Memo, and I will show you the memo. You can type any memo and you can also put this memo on your home screen. I will show you this in detail, in detailed review of this one. Messaging and Messenger, My File, you will find all your stuff here. Files here. Now this is main dialer. You can see this is a stock dialer, that is not Android stock dialer, it is a stock dialer from the Samsung. You can find the big buttons. As you can see that there is only one call button to call your number. I have the next is Playbook, Play Games, Play Movie, Play Music, Play Store, Radio. This phone has inbuilt FM radio. I will use the motion to control this FM radio. As you can see, I have not plugged in a phone, so it is not working. You can find Samsung applications, setting, video player, video voice recorder, voice search, and YouTube. That is pre-installed on your devices. Now I will see whether it supports dual SIM. Yeah, it supports dual SIM. No network card found. It also supports smart dual SIM switching. So this completed your